See the website of Runway, which I have already shown you in the first video. So as it also says that offload heavy operation works to AI agent, which means that you can offload your heavy operations which you are having burden in resolving or facing some complexity to resolve. You can just give it to AI agent and it will be solving you within minutes and providing you the same effective output result as well. So it says that build AI agent that work like a team member in 10 minutes. You don't need any coding skills or any flowchart. You just need to provide some prompt to the AI agent and it will be working the same as you want. So here they have given some video which you can see and you can understand that how basically this runway is working. Now, moving forward, as they have also mentioned, tired of repetitive tasks. So, yeah, they will be they will be reducing your repetitive task by integrating the AI agent in your workflow, and AI will be working for you. And you just need to focus on the means your growth and innovation. Now, here they have listed some of the things like use cases are also there and built for secure growth and as well. So now moving forward, let's see what they have mentioned in their products. In the product, it says that the AI agent for your workspace means in which workspace you want to integrate this AI agent. So they have listed some of the workspace over here also, and the integration tools are also given in their website that which you can use and see. Like they have given Open AI Chat GPT, Google Drive is also there, Calendar, SQL, AWS, and many more are mentioned. So, on the need of your uh, website or workflow, you can integrate these tools and you are easy to go for their usage and you can see the effective result they are providing. Now, moving forward with the solution, as this says, they have divided their solution by the teams. So, according to the team, you can choose their workflows and you can work accordingly. And they have also mentioned the use cases in these of the teams. So, we will be looking for the use cases. First, let's see that what teams they have divided for. If you want to means integrate your workflow for the support team, you can use from here also. Sales team they have given, marketing, people team, finance, account manager or effective team, as well as they have given for AI consultancies also. Now moving with the use cases. In the use cases, they have suggested that you can explore how Ranveer is used in the real world. So by using these use cases, you can explore that how they will be working in your real world and how much they will be affecting your output and your saving their time as well. So they have bifurcated in different parts. Like if you want it for external support, you can see for this customer support as well, AI consultancies, sales, productivity, account manager, or marketing. So if we go for sales, like if you want to reduce your sales workload, so you can use the use cases over here and you can see that how it is effective in your sales. So as it is mentioned, if we see one of the use cases, as it is you can see that it's written, let AI prepare your next meeting, which means if you are having meet, if you are if you have finished meeting just now and you're having your meeting in the next 3 minutes or so, you can just use this AI agent and it will be preparing all the stuffs for you that to whom you are going to meet or what is the topic of discussion, or it will be providing you with the mails also that if you have any mails from that particular person or that particular industry, so you can get those mails summarized and it will be providing you with the summarized date, time, and the person name as well, and with the summarized emails also. So, as it is mentioned that specifically when you have a packed schedule, preparing for meeting can be exhausting and time consuming. So you can go for this AI assistant. So here they have mentioned that they have given a example of their use case. Like it has been summarizing your meeting details with the date, time, location, and the participant as well, and also with the email also, that recent email conversation summary which you were having with the same person or the industry. So they have also mentioned you the step by step guides which they says that you can use it within 10 minutes as well. So you just need to sign into runway.io and you can start instantly with no credit card required, because they are also providing you with some of the feature that 7-day free trial you can use, and you can just go with the that how they basically work, and after that you can pay according to their plans. So you just need to first create your AI agent and you need to give a prompt that what do you want, what is your goal, uh, basically to automate this workflow. So you have to tell the AI from the starting to the end that what you are trying to do and what your goal is to achieve. So here it is says that preparing for a AI using AI tools, and then you can check the meeting details, review recent conversation, summarize and prepare talking points and as well. So here they have used Google Calendar and email. Google Calendar will collect all your date, time, and whatever the event is mentioned over there. So it will be collecting data from Google Calendar, and the Gmail will be telling you the conversation, what was going on the email with the that person or the industry. So it will be summarizing the data coming from these tools, which is Google Calendar and email. So it will be summarizing you with these output, and it will be giving you an effective output which you can say to that person, or you are good to go to use this summarized result provided by the AI. So after integrating all these things, you can invite the agent to Slack or Team. This brings the agent into your workspace, whether you are Slack or Microsoft Teams. Your AI assistant can live where your team communication communicates. That's it, and you are ready to go with your meeting. So, as it says that once set up, your agent will keep you prepared every time, whether you are walking into a 1:1 or a scale call or a support call, and your AI has already done the homework for you, which you don't need to worry that what will be your next step for the meeting, or what will be your next step for the conversation. So it will be just providing you each and everything within 10 minutes of setup.